What you call you? Biggin.
Yeah, biggin.
Biggin.
Hey, babies. Where you going, Mimi?
He's like right up in my arms. He wants me to
I
hold
know.
him. He remembers me from earlier today. I picked him up. I'm sorry about your little brother.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
Hey, where you going, fella?
Your mama ain't too bright.
Where you going? Come on over here. Hi, sweeties.
Look at this. He's just.
I know, look at that.
What is his deal?
He's a lover.
Oh,
Goodness.
you gonna be a lap dog?
He's gonna be fluffy, I think, like Pumpkin.
Mm-hmm. Are you gonna be a lap dog?
Yeah.
He's got a winter coat, man. I'm gonna tell you what.
He got a little dog named Popcorn. I want to meet Popcorn, man. They're all cool. You're going to a cool family.
I'm gonna give Popcorn a hard time. You chase them tail.
Aw, hi, baby. Hi.
We all did real good today.
Uh-huh.
They were quiet on the way home. They didn't say a word.
I know, they were quiet. These two were quiet heading down. They were just like, oh, okay.
Oh, he's loving this, man.
Yeah.
Oh, I've been
my
bored
God.
for 4.5 weeks, y'all.
Yeah. Hey.
I've been bored. Yeah, little tail just a wagging.
Look.
That's a precious puppy right
Yeah,
there.
he is. Yeah, damn it.
Love his little colorings.
I do too. I love that his little snout.
Mm-hmm.
Look at her. Hi, Minnie. Well, okay, I'm being chewed on in 3 different directions. Okay. Oh, hey, baby. Hey. He just, oh my goodness, he just hugged me. He was not letting go at the vet. He's like, no, mommy. What you doing? What you doing? Hey, Minnie. Looks like Santa gonna visit you this year at this house. Hey. Aw. Yeah, he likes this. It's what they all want. Oh, look at him.
I mean, they're all distinctly different, you know? I mean, even though these are kind of, hey, you hear me talking? Yeah, you too. Give me some of that. Give me some of that.
Jeez. Oh my goodness.
You're precious.
Oh.
Yeah, I do too. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Oh, that's money right there. That's money. I think that's what we all do. Set up a little, you know, they have massage parlors. We'll set up a little puppy parlor and let them come lick on your ears.
Oh, that's a good idea. I wish I had thought of that.
You see, it's $40 for 10 minutes here.
Yeah, get puppy licks. I say just make it an even 50 for 10 minutes.
Well, they got a tip too. Got a tip.
Yeah. Look at that. Look at these puppies. Oh,
Look at there. It's like they've never been apart.
I know.
Well, y'all get to spend the rest of your little lives together. You two.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, y'all do. Oh, itchy spot. I got you. Hey there, sweetheart.
Little butters. Oh.
Hey, sweetheart. Hey, baby girl, come here. Come here. Let me hold you for a minute. There's a good girl. There's a good girl.
Uh-oh.
I feel real.
Old Chubbs is giving Gunny a workover. Goodness.
Amen.
What's that over there? Is that a toy?
What are they gonna
Go
do?
get in there, boy. You can do it. You can do it. Oh. Goodness. Oh.
See how he's got little saggy little jaws like a hound dog?
Uh-huh.
And this one really don't.
He's more like Pumpkin than Gunny is. I love his little fuzz, his little fuzzy coat.
I know it.
And I like how Gunny, his little head.
Watch his little tail. See his little tail curl up?
Yeah, yeah, like Pumpkin's. Look.
Oh, he figured it out.
I like how his head's getting square.
It is getting square. Come on, sweetie. Come back over here.
Hey, baby. I thought you'd be hungrier than that. It's nice and warm. Hey, sweethearts. I missed you. Come on, Minnie.
Are you lost?
Come on.
Are you lost? Come on.
Come on, Minnie. There it comes. Come on.
You love me, don't you?
Ugh.
Oh, no.
Yay. Puppies.
You gonna make somebody happy.
Puppies. Yay.
Very happy.
They're teething. They're teething right now, so they're a little fussy. Because they're teething. Are you teething? Are you teething? Yeah.
Yes, you are.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
I need another hand. Pet them both. He don't care as long as he's getting big hugs, big tight hugs. That's all he cares about. It sounds like Sandra's ring. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.